أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن
Assalamu
الرحيم.
alaikum, Habaib. Welcome back. Inshallah, you're all doing well in great health, صحة and afiyah. Today we're on lesson 27. So today we're going to be learning a new rule, and that is somewhat related to the rule we learned yesterday. So yesterday, last time what we did, we focused on specifically merging the letters straight away without reading the letter in between. And that's called Idghaam, merging. We're also going to be continuing something like that, but there's a few specific letters that we have to be careful about. And for those letters, also we're just going to be merging them. But the reason we have to be careful is we have to hold those letters a little longer. So wow is one of them. Wow. Okay, we have wow over here. We'll focus on wow until we find another one of the letters we're looking for. So let's practice this word over here. حبا ونباتا. Remember, we're connecting from the ba to the wow directly. حب. There's a shadda here for the ha, حب. And then for the wow. حبا ونباتا. وليا ولا نصيرا. وليا. So I'm holding the wow. إيمانا وقالوا, and that sound will come from your nose. إيمانا وقالوا. It's called a غنة. This is something we learned as well. When the meme has shadda, we'll be focusing on doing this as well. And when the wow, it has shadda, but before it, it needs to come this tanween, a double fatha or a double kasra or a double dhamma. For example, double dhamma is here. إله واحد مال ولا بنون. مال and إله. That's why we're going to read it like that, okay? Now, as we continue forward, you're going to notice that there's some other words that we're going to be looking at instead of wow. For example, like ya. Ya has the same rule as wow. Ya and wow is the main lesson we're learning from this lesson. That is when we see a tanween, a double fatha, a double kasra, or a double dhamma. Let's just write those things out so you know exactly what we're talking about. We know already what they are, but I'm just going to circle them for you to remember. So we know the double dhamma, for example, is like this one here, right? That is the double dhamma. This one is a double kasra over here, and this is a double fatha. So these are the ones we have to remember. When these three signs appear, and after it we see the wow with a shadda, the wow with the shadda, right? Or the ya with the shadda. The way we're going to read it will slightly be different. It'll differ. So as I read it, follow along and try and focus. يومئذ واجفة. I hold the wow for a little bit. ذي أفمن وعدنا. And also another thing, when we see the noon second, this one over here, yes, the one I just crossed out, we're also going to be making sure that we do not read that letter. Instead, we go straight to the wow because it has a sukoon. And the way we're going to read the wow is going to be stretched. أَفَمَنْ وَعَدَنَا. Now I'll read the rest and try and focus and follow along with me and practice by stopping. شَرًّا يَرَهُ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ ويل يومئذ يصدر الناس. So this is connected to the next part. دافق يخرج أن يشاء فمن يعمل إن ينصركم وإن يريدوا. So we're connecting right to the ya, right to the ya, and we are not reading the noon. جزاكم الله خير. بارك الله فيك. Inshallah, next time, once you are ready, we will be going to the next lesson, which is going to talk about iqlab. But today we have cleared all of the idgham lessons, and this is not an easy thing to remember. So I encourage you to go ahead and practice that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.